Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of 30 days coding, and today we are going to solve this problem, number of recent calls. Before I start, I want to say that this problem is based on queue data structure. So if you don't know what a queue data structure is, go learn it and then watch the videos. It will be more helpful. And what this problem asked me to do is to create a class called recent counter, and in the recent counter there is a function called ping. The ping passes a parameter called t, which indicates time. We are going to return how many requests has been passed in the last 3000 milliseconds, including the current request, and the inclusive range would be t minus 3000 to t. To understand this problem better, let's look at this example where recent counter has already been implemented. The class recent counter has already been implemented, and here we can see in the recent counter class we are calling the function ping multiple times, and it's returning some numbers. How is it working? Let's say when ping1 was called, our stack here, our queue is here is empty. When 1 is called, in the range of 1 minus 3000 to 1 millisecond, it will check if any requests have occurred or not. If requests have occurred in this time period, minus 2009 to 1 millisecond, then we are going to count those. If not, we are not going to count those. Let's say for ping1, from 2009 to 1, only one request has occurred, that is 1 itself. For ping 100, for the range of minus 200 to 100, we are getting two requests. One is 1 from here, and the other one is 100 itself. When the ping 3001 is called, the range is gonna be 3001 minus 3000, so 1 to 3001, and in between that time 1 has occurred, 100 has occurred, so 100 and 3001. When ping 3002 is called, the time range is from 2 to 3002, right? And during this time from 2 to 3002, we can see that ping 1 didn't happen, right? Because the ping 1 happened in between the time minus 2009 to 1. T equals 1 is not included here. We are starting from t equals 2 millisecond, right? So ping 1 is not gonna count. We are not gonna count ping 1. So what would be the list? It's gonna look like something like 100, 3001, and 3002. If we understand how it worked, then we can implement it easily. Every time when the ping function is called, we are returning the length of this queue. To start this problem, let's create a list called self.queue, and in the ping function, at first I'm going to check if my length self.queue is 0 or not. If it is 0, I'm just going to append my time here. If it's not 0, then I'm going to check every element if it should be counted in the time range or not. So while length of self.queue is 0, if t minus 3000 is greater than self.0, if the first element of queue is less than the time range, I'm just going to pop it. else I'm going to break this while loop and append my time or t. And after doing so, I'm just going to return the length of my self.queue. Now let's run it. Let's fast, submit it. It's been accepted. Thank you for watching. See you next time tomorrow.